How to make logo in Fotor. So first go to Fotor, and then you can just type in logo here at the top. So you can see, you will see something like this on the search bar, and then just type in logo, and then click on logo here, and then it will take you to this page. Now from here you just need to select any of the logos here, the templates that you can use, or you can just create a new one from scratch. But for this example, we're just going to use a template. So let's say I'm going to use the game box template here, and then from here you can just edit it. So instead of a game box, you can just type in game board. And then let's just make this, let's just delete this, don't need this. Okay, and then let's just change the colors of this one. Let's change it to, let's say, this one. Then let's change this one to yellow. And then let's just make this bigger. And yeah, there you go. So once you're done, you can just click on download, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.